Video hint for question number 5. So here, as I'm starting out, we have that the angle of elevation is 48 degrees up to the top. And we also have another angle of elevation from the base of the hill is 41 degrees. So in here, kind of how these would have to be set up, the angle would have to be here to here. Again, angle of elevation always goes to the horizontal. So that angle has to be, the 48-degree angle has to be right there in green. And if we change to a different color here, the 41-degree angle, that's got to be back here. That's the angle of elevation. So we know this one's 41 degrees in that case. We also know that the hill rises at an angle of 32 degrees itself. So that means the hill here, from here down to the angle of or to the horizontal, has got to be 32 degrees. So we have a few pieces of information there. And then the last piece of information that we have in here, I'll put that one in pink, is 200 feet from the base of the hill. So we know that this is 200. Right? So we have pieces of different triangles in here. And then, again, to solve any triangle, we need 3 known things, and then we can use either law of sines or law of cosines to find the rest of them. So again, with a lot of engineering and a lot of different surveying, which is what this is, what we'd want to do is, if we can, get some right angles in there. And in fact, here we can get a right angle by going to the very top of the cathedral and just dropping a line. Tough for me to draw that straight, but dropping a line straight down. And that would be at a right angle. And now that creates 3 different right triangles. Namely, we've got one here, a very small one, another one here, and another one here, which allows us to find a lot of different things because we know the angles in there. We can find a lot of different angles, eventually finding our way to having this top little blue angle up here, which is across from this side. And that would allow us to use kind of the law of sines to figure out different pieces all the way back in. We'll be able to, use the law of sines to find this side, and then use the law of sines again to find this final piece, because that's the height of the cathedral. Good luck.